I don't know.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What I mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Hey guys, so I am on my way to get my nails done. I did not get a chance to get my nails done before coming because I just was working late, didn't have any time after. Just had enough time to do my eyebrows. That was it, guys. It. So, I just got here this morning and I don't feel like walking around looking like a homeless person. So I'm about to find some place to get my nails did. Ooh, there's parking. Freak. Pay by mobile. This parking lot is almost always full, you guys. So lucky of me to find parking. Ugh. Okay. So, I had my nails fixed at a shop here once before. I'm gonna try to go to the same shop. Wait. Ugh. Ugh. Luckily, I'm always prepared, you guys. I just found my Oyster card in my bag with like all my leftover coins from the last time I was here. So I was able to pay for my parking. Otherwise, I would have to download a stupid app, which I don't want to do. I have too many of these dumb apps on my phone for no reason. Anywho, let's go get my nails done. Hi. Do you have anyone available now for gel mani? Ready now?
Just try it.
Okay. Huh? Oh, thank you. Hi. So you have anyone available now for mani and pedi?
Yeah.
Gel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you do the dip powder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Yeah. She do it. Keeping power.
How much is that?
25 power with
Try it on
oatmeal.
blue now.
Yeah. Extension. It talks about. You need to take chance.
How long is the wait for that?
Now?
Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen up a flow like a river. Dapper them for know some man a leader. Shatter them ready for press the trigger. Blessing up a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a believer.
Watch Pencil, guys. I try to look like me. Yeah, come in. I'm a full jeans outfit. Watch her. Watch her.
Can't run against me.
Watch her.
No young girl can be.
Watch her. Mom, you're going too much though.
It's supposed to.
You're going too much, lady.
I'm cute.
You're cute.
Not cute. Them girls come from further and just jump on people's food.
Yeah, I'm come for my food. I'm not past up a pencil cook. My nice parrot fish. I'm boiled dumpling on my banana, my yam. And I needs it. I needs it. That's not great. I don't know. It's apple, baby. No, baby. Oh, sour orange. Try this one. Oh, this is grapefruit. Yeah. Come on.
It takes two butter. You know butter? Huh?
Yeah. For the lady.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Come on, baby. You like that?
Give us a minute.
Yeah. Oh.
Come.
The vegetable, you have to take out the mushroom there. You're an idiot. Then you're an idiot. That doesn't make sense. Very nice, man.
My one nice?
Oh.
No, my one the burning. I don't like this.
Oh, God. Wait back there. Stop it. You need a couple of one my one burner. You're not
My one.
Yeah, we at it. Every day we at it. Go get the bread, the place so bad and not forgot it. I will even tell you about the wild and not Jurassic. Life change, shake up pocket. Blessing up for flow like a river. Blessing up for flow like a river.
You guys, they have like a mobile freaking bar. Petty bus. Literally, everyone has their own pedals. They cycle and they're drinking. Look, they're drinking, guys. I think it's dangerous.
It's cool. At the top of the something there. That's why it take us, baby. We're at the top of the bridge. Maybe we're on the bridge. Oh.
It's good now?
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Southern Street.
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good one. Okay. So guys, I think I made a mistake. I have been with Sprint. Actually, I've only been with Sprint my entire life, yeah? The service has almost always been shitty. I'm just one of those who I'm kind of I don't like change. I like my routine. So even though the service was crap, I would threaten them to leave, but they were always say, oh, let me take this off your bill, whatever, to try to keep me. And I'm like, okay, fine. Anyway, recently I'm just enough is enough. The shit, my phone does not work in my apartment. I'm constantly dropping calls. So I'm let me switch over to Verizon. Okay. So I've been with Verizon all of maybe 2 weeks now. Tell me why I come to London and my phone has zero signal. Nothing at all. It's not working at all. It's like back in the day when you traveled to another country and your phone was completely useless. That's what happened to my Verizon phone. I've grown so accustomed to Sprint because with Sprint, even though the service was crap, it had a lot of perks. One of them being that when I traveled internationally, I had low speed data for free. I could text for free, no issue. So now I'm just what the hell? I need my phone. I need my access. I need access to my social media. I need to be able to be reached if my family needs to reach me. And I need to be able to make calls and do what I need to do. So I call Verizon with my work phone, right? Because this phone is completely useless to me. I call Verizon. I'm like, hey, my phone doesn't work. What's the deal? Now, I got to put a plan. I got to put an international plan. To be able to use my phone while away, I have to pay $10 per day, okay, for data and the ability to call and text and all that stuff. And I'm like, what the frig? Yeah? Meanwhile, curiosity got the best of me. I'm like, let me see what Sprint would charge for something like this, like the high-speed data, because Sprint would give you low-speed data and free texting for free. I'm like, let me see what Sprint charges for me to be able to make phone calls, get the high-speed data and stuff. Sprint has a 7-day plan, you guys. A 7-day plan for $15. So basically, for what I'm paying here for 1 day, pretty much, I could have gotten a 7-day plan from freaking Sprint. I am pissed off. I'm unhappy because I feel like that alone is enough of a perk for me to have stayed with them, because I travel so frequently. Like, I travel a lot. You guys see, like, I don't vlog every single time, but I'm in London all the time. I go to Jamaica, I go to other places, and it's really cool to be able to have the ability to text for free and to have my low speed data for free. Now, with Verizon, I gotta put on a $10 a day plan. Like, hello, in what, 5 days? That's pretty much the cost of my entire plan for the month, just for this international plan for $10 a day. I feel like that's crazy. So I definitely think I made a mistake, you guys. Definitely made a mistake. I'm still not really seeing the real benefit of having switched yet, because I mean, I just switched. I was home for maybe like a week, and I guess it worked. Didn't have any drop calls, but I didn't have drop calls all the time with Sprint. Just sometimes there are times when I don't know, it just wasn't working with me. Anyway, so this is what I picked up at the corner store. Right here. My Vita Coco. Anyway, you guys, my birthday is just in a few weeks, and I'm wondering if I should celebrate in New York, or if I should celebrate my birthday here in London. So yeah, I've never celebrated a birthday with my mom before, so I think it would be cool to do something kind of big here with Mom, my nieces, my brothers, and Bay. So I'm really considering coming back for my birthday here, as opposed to doing something in New York. Maybe I'll do something in New York and here, but I'll be here. I'll celebrate my birthday here in London. But yeah, I'm pretty confident that that's what I'll do. My birthday in London. Let me get my Snicker. I got a double, you guys. A double! Let's open this biatch and get to work. Mommy cooked for me. She sent me pictures of my dinner. Bae wanted vegetables and stuff, so she made vegetables, steamed veggies, and she made food as well with fish for me, because Bae didn't want any fish. Guys, you see how crazy my hair is looking right now? I am so in desperate need of a brush. If you guys really know me, then you know that I don't get crazy about that stuff. I have no problem walking around looking like a crazy person sometimes. But I really would have brushed my hair this morning if I had a brush. And you know, sometimes you're around Bae, you don't really want to you want to be extra cute, so you don't really want to take the wig off. I don't want to be like that meme, like, without my wig. So I kept it on, and I actually stepped in my wig last night, which is why it looks so crazy this morning. And I didn't travel with the brush like a moron. So I need to find an Afro store to purchase a brush so that I can look like somebody's child. Okay.
National rail services from Euston are severely disrupted.
Like a river, blessing off a flow like a river, blessing off a flow like a river, blessing off a flow like a river. That's why them for know some man a leader.
Where's Balmain, sir? Balmain? Okay.
You see Rico is facing us.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Balmain is next to it, going that way, love.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's 260, my friend, please.
That's why them for know some man a leader. Shot at them ready for press a trigger. Blessing off a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a believer.
chicken.
Oh,
Chili chicken.
only in Jamaica, baby shop.
Why not? Stop eating chicken.
Jamaican chicken
Stop
is
eating
different.
meat.
Baby,
And
you
see that
can't
Jamaica
I
eat
would
chicken.
never eat chicken
Why
here.
would somebody
I
do
would
that?
never eat chicken in the USA.
Why you
Jamaican
talking
chicken,
sell out, man?
what kind of chicken is down there? The one that my growing.
Do we have corn-fed chicken up there?
It's not the same. Anyway, you guys, blue and white party, split dance. Just came outside. They've got chicken across the street, you guys, and I do not eat chicken. He's judging me, you guys, because I'm eating like chicken and pork in Jamaica. But it's different. It's like raised in the yard. We know what we're feeding. It's not like injected with any like crap they put in. Any other crap they put in here. So it's different. I would never have chicken and pork in England. I never have chicken and pork in America. But will they do it in Jamaica? Hell yes. Hell yes.
Well, go on, Jenna. Respect it up.
Bye, Andrew. The big man.
Yeah, your man hold on me.
Watch her now. Watch her now. She had a short tattoo and thing and thing and
Yeah, your
thing.
man hold on me.
What you doing, mommy?
It's where me come from.
Yeah? Does she have one fraud one? She buy one from China. Yeah.
Yes, but there one look like the proper one. My one a canvas on top.
Canvas?
Yeah.
No, they have the canvas on as well. Babe, shut up before I feel. Guys, Pencil just made me a plate. Look at this, you guys. Look at this plate. How many people does she think I am, guys? Oh my God.
Look at mine.
No, baby. Babe, you ate it already. He said he didn't want any fish, you guys. So no fish for him. But that's my plate. That's my pair. Come on, babe. You can have some fish. Baby, don't take the whole
I'm not. I'm just going to take half of it. Oh, you still so bad, man? Yeah, give me something you worry about the argument.
I thought you were going to take my whole tail,
God,
man.
man.
Dang. Guys, I'm only like that because he could have had his own fish and he said he don't want no fish. Guy, my ease off for the fish. I know me get my little fish and want to eat off my fish. Yeah? I'm gonna play them some there. I'm supposed to bear it, my man. Babe, this pear is good. What kind of fish is this, mommy? What kind of fish is this?
What's that sea bass? Sea bream.
That's bad. Mommy, I don't believe him. That's not true.
Time you have to wake up and take a beer.
Babe, don't.
Especially for the week.
Babe, don't be rude to you. Don't be rude to you. No. He calls me mommy when I'm freaking like dead tired. Sometimes I come in, I'm so tired. And I just lay on the bed in my work clothes and everything. So him call me. Him say, you know, be there. I say, no. Him say, you're not going to be. I say, you know, I'm not going to be. Come on, I'm like you, mommy. If I drop asleep and you don't brush your teeth, you forget about brush your teeth. I forget up. So eat. Shut up, mom. Babe, you're lying. Because I am like her. I am like her.
Baby, you're not like that. Stop pretending.
Bro, the last night say you love the world like me and me hate that from.
You say that? You see, bugger?
So look, war is war.
I can war, babe.
You can war.
I can war. I can war. I just don't want to you up more times. I don't want to. I don't want to war with my baby.
Let me squeeze the finger, you cry.
What were you trying to know?
Bro, never be dating there.
When I was
Get
6.
some sucking, I just said that.
Then when I was 6, him lit me because see someone, she always, when she brush her teeth, she hold on the face basin. And him always tell her, don't do it. And she do it and the face piece and tear off of the wall and drop off. Yeah?
So you get lick van?
Reduce. Because him lick her and me I laugh. Me just see the man come on. We I laugh after. That's the last time Daddy hit me, right? Every time, remember, I said, Daddy, you leave me for no reason because I not do nothing. I said, yeah, but she a cry and you a laugh like.
In Brighty?
Yeah,
you should tell him class him.
Him shouldn't do that. Yeah.
You shouldn't laugh.
Babe, I'm
You
sick.
shouldn't laugh.
Of course I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna
You
laugh.
never tackle him about it.
Tackling about it. Him
You say,
lick
bro,
me.
you brave, you leave me please.
And I see one tear off the something.
The riot start now.
I see one tear off the something off of the something.
Man,
and
if
him
you
lick
like
me.
with me, I'm not the night in it.
So I say, you know what, nah, because you're going to feel way tough.
Baby, if you do that.
You do what? So why don't you phone
If
me?
you do
What's
that.
it? If you love me like how I love you, you should call me that.
Maybe I phone you when I'm wrong.
Let me tell you something with Cindy.
No, most of the time you
Let me tell you something.
Baby, no,
Let me
it's
tell
you.
you something.
Blessing off a flow like a river.